Imagine a dropshipping method that not only breaks free from the constraints of the old, but propels you into a future where every sale feels like a victory. This isn't just the next trend, it's a revolution in the way we do business online. So buckle up, because today we are unveiling the ultimate dropshipping winning method that will make you the leader of the game. This approach is all about selling the most in-demand products under the most profitable niche through the newest advertising method that you should know as early as now. So if you want to get a first mover, you should know about it. Well, here are the 5 steps that will set you on the path to success. If you're looking for a hassle-free registration process and a platform that's not just user-friendly but perfectly designed for beginners, you might want to look into USAdrop. Setting up your business will be fast and easy. Forget about convincing people to buy products they don't want. Instead, focus on products with high search demand. Research heavily on unsaturated dropshipping niches, and under that, search for products that are most in demand in the market. Now, let's talk about finding the right suppliers. There are a lot of suppliers out there, so you must do your research and weigh the pros and cons of each platform before committing to one. If your goal is to dropship every day without hassle and with no additional charges, then USAdrop is a perfect fit for you. They will bridge you to the biggest suppliers in China, ensuring you get only the highest quality items at the lowest price guaranteed. Enter the new era of digital advertising, where Facebook is not just a platform but a strategic partner. It's called creative scaling through Facebook. Facebook has a feature wherein they can give you the audience you truly need just by analyzing your ads. You can set the target level and go as broad as you want, but with their knowledge of their database, they will help you narrow it down by studying your image, your video, and the words you use in your ads. Do this right and your products will show up on the screens of people who are really interested in buying. There you have it, the blueprint to revolutionize your dropshipping game in 2024. So I'll see you next time, and happy dropshipping. Bye bye.